guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaylin Ari'el if you are new, and in today's video we are cleaning out this nasty refrigerator. Let me tell y'all, I have a really bad habit of storing things in the refrigerator and never cleaning it out. As you guys can see, it's really disgusting. I can't even believe I'm showing you guys this. But it's the real deal. I said I was gonna be real on my channel, and this is as real as it gets, okay? My fridge, I don't know, I'll cook and I may do a leftover a day, maybe two. It's very unlikely. And then I just stuff it in the refrigerator, and then that's where it goes to die. Like literally, it just stays in here, and it takes forever for me to clean out. So there's like takeout in here, there's stuff that I've cooked in here, there's fruits, veggies, all kind of stuff that's just like in here, and it's just in here, like, ugh. But we're gonna take care of it today. We're gonna clean this thing up spick and span. I'm really excited to get it all together because I actually have groceries. I didn't want to put them in there until I cleaned the refrigerator out because I was like, no, those groceries are way too good to be in this nasty refrigerator. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get started.
Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my passion. You took my heart, I'ma sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying. They send me up there. You see me do my da. Tell me about that. When you walk a la. And I care for my
Who say yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon Batman, tellement son hot gal. Your body son poison, lè ou move en slow motion. Bet it that way, ven nan kou ya doum jwen potion. Lè ou work. Lè ou descend bi babli ba. Lè even bi dirt. Lè ou glase lè ou tan kou yon oula ou. Baby, do the work.
To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, my
poison, lè ou mouvement slow motion, bête tête, ouais. Fait nan kouya doum jwen potion. Lè ou work, 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 work. Lè ou descend bi babli, 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 ba. Lè li vin bi dirt, 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 dirt. C'est lè ou ba serré en tan couillon, oula, oula, ou. Baby, baby, do the work, 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 work.
To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me better work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da.
I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9, then I'll pass 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 Till I tell everybody, 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 everybody.
Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest. Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. Then we back outside. We said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold on, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 Till I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody. We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost in town, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. For something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 And everybody, telling everybody, everybody.
You know how people do laundry but then hate folding clothes, or they wash dishes but they don't like drying them? That's exactly how I feel about cleaning this refrigerator out. Like, the stress levels, and it's taking freaking forever. Like, this is the reason why I'm not ever letting it get this bad again. Like, ever. Let's load it.
Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest. Release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold on, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 Till I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe and sound.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sun.